I think it's just weird because I haven't been able to crack since, I don't know. I'm telling you, I used to crack myself every day.
And now you can't.
And now I can't.
How long has it been?
Okay, so my boys are 9 months, so before I got pregnant, so over a year. I haven't been able to crack myself.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's do it. Oh. Oh my God. Crunchy. Whew. Did you hear the one before? Before my head dropped? Oh, wow. Yeah. I waited a year for that. Thanks. Thanks, Doc. Oh. Oh. Whew. I could have taken my headband off. I'm a little disoriented now. It's good. Oh, wow. Yeah, good. Oh. That's wild.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh. I was hoping you were going to give me a warning. Oh. I feel looser.
And out.
Oh. Oh. Heavy. It's good. Already popping. Oh. 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 The sun didn't pop back in. Oh. Making my eyes watered out. Oh. Oh. New body. That's so much better.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh. 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 I think I got like all of them cracked at that point. Oh. That was really good. Scared me a little bit, but I'm good. Wow. I'm into it. I'm into it. Mm-hmm.